Today I'm going to dissect a Flexmeter double-sided wrist guard so we can see what's inside and you can understand how this works. Now, for starters, this wrist guard was designed by an orthopedic surgeon specifically to solve wrist breaks and wrist-related injuries with snowboarding, but also that translates to skating. Anything that you fall and you break your wrist on, that's what the Flexmeter is designed for. So this is a double-sided wrist guard. That's what this is called. On the back side here, we have a removable skid plate. Now this is designed to skid on the asphalt, and it's designed to take a lot of the force instead of the material around it. So this can be replaced. So the first thing we'll do is remove this. Next we have this ballistic nylon that goes all the way around. And then we have this really tight bound seam here. And what I'm going to try and do is cut this seam out and pull out the bottom shank of this so we can review that. So let's see if we can pull this out here. It's going to take me a minute to cut this okay. I'm trying to get the underside of this wrist guard out. Okay, we've got the underside of the wrist guard. You can see that this is a thermoform piece of plastic, and it's designed to fit your wrist just like that. We have comfort foam here, which is the white area, and the D3O is this gray piece right here. D3O does make gray material, and that's what this is. It's D3O light that's used here. And what happens when you fall like this, the D3O absorbs as much impact as possible. The plastic, as well as the plastic on the outside, hopefully skids on the asphalt, or if it's the snow or something hard, absorbs that as well. And then on the top side, let's see if we can pull this apart. The reason this is called a Flexmeter is because it's designed to flex. You see that? So this sits on top of your wrist like this. And so when you go in for an impact, the idea is the bottom is absorbing a lot of the force, while the top allows your wrist to flex slightly, which helps prevent elbow injuries and shoulder injuries. And so this top shank is designed to actually flex, and that's why